Good day, my name is Joy Efuaose, and on today's root exercise, we will be talking about sorting data in ascending or descending order in Power BI. Firstly, we define what data sorting is. Data sorting refers to the process of organizing data in a table or visualization in a specific order based on the value in a particular column. Ascending order refers to the sorting of data from the smallest to the largest value. Here is a sample of a data set I'm going to be using for illustration. Over here, I arranged the date in order of accession using the filter icon close to the year colon. I also did the same application for the sales column, arranging in ascending order. I moved over to the visualization process. In order to make our chart presentable, I filtered the top 10 sales made. Based into a funnel graph, the result of our data sorting from ascension order. Thank you so much.